Hi folks, welcome back to the next Outdoors with the Millers episode, and we're going to take this piece of wood and turn it into this. Now you might be wondering, what are we going to do with a pile of cut up wood? We're going to make some wood duck houses. Folks, now that you have cut on the boards, and I will put up either on this side or this side the dimensions of boards you need. After that, pick out one of the three that are the same length and find 3.5 inches down. That is the top of the opening for the wood duck. A lot of people say, or have shown, take a largemouth plastic cup, you squeeze it, and that will give you your 3.5 by 4.5 opening. So I have found my 3.5 from the top. Going to take and squeeze, give myself the opening, and then I'm going to trace around the cup so I have a little bit of a guide. And as you can see, pretty much got that guide. Now we're going to drill and cut. Okay, next step, once you have your oval traced out, take your drill and your large drill bit and drill a guide hole into. I'm going to go right up on top. See, it does not have to be a perfect oval. This will be good. What we are going to do is I'm going to sand this to make it a little bit less rough around the edges, both inside and out. Alright folks, now that we have the opening cut open, we're going to start assembling all of the pieces together. So you have your long piece, and at 3 3/4, that is where the one side goes. So what we're going to do is, because this is only 1-inch planks, we're going to pre-drill some holes. So I'm going to find my 3.5-inch mark and then do a little bit of pre-drilling, but I'm going to mark them on the sides. And I'm going to put 4 screws in through the side, or I should say Reagan, little quacker, is going to. Got it? Up, pull up, no, pull the trigger and pull it up. Okay, now we come to the next one. Pull the trigger, push down, pull the trigger, pull it up. Trigger, push down, all the way up. Now make sure you keep pressing the trigger all the way, the whole time, the whole way.
Up and down?
Up and down. Make sure you're straight up and down. Yep. Push, 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 push. Good. Come to the next one. Push, 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 push. Good. Come to the next one. Yep. Good. Good job.
This is fun. I want to do more.
Alright, now we're going to attach the bottom, but before attaching the bottom, you want to drill at least 5 drainage holes so that, you know, ducks are wet. When they come in, they're going to be wet, so we don't want the bedding to be continuously wet. So I'm going to take a 3/16. I'm going to take a 3/16 here. Oops, if I can do this right. Okay, I'm going to hold it off to the side. Okay, 1, 2, and then turn it around, 3, 4, and then we'll do that. Fold it down, down, hold up, down, up. I'm going to give it to you now. Down, up, down, up. Okay, now this one I'm going to give it completely to you because I'm going to hold the other side of the board. Down, hold up, good. And we'll just smooth them out a little bit. Alright, the next thing you're going to do, one of two options. You can either score the board with little cuts, skill saw, table saw set to a very shallow cut, or what we're going to do is we're going to actually use hardware cloth. We're going to cut a section about as wide as the window and almost as long as it is down to the bottom.
Wow.
So the ducklings can climb up and out when they're ready to go. So Jackson is going to attach the metal mesh so that the ducklings can climb up. So we just sanded off the corners on one side just to make it not so sharp, and that is actually going to be our pivot point. On this side here, we're going to run just on the top side because the hole is right here, the entryway. We're going to run 1 and 2, so that way we have a pivot point for cleaning out at the end of the season. Wood ducks do not bring in any nesting supplies, so we are going to have to actually provide bedding, and at the end of the year, when they have gone down south, right there. Okay. There we go.
Like small cartridges?
Okay.
Cat could probably get in there.
Okay, come here. Open the door. Yep. That way we can get in, clean it off, close it up, and when we go to attach it or put it on a pole or whatever, we will put a locking system, either running a nail through the front or back, or like a hook and eye on the bottom here. Thanks again, folks, for watching this episode of Outdoors with the Millers. For Reagan, Jackson, and I, do yourself a favor, build yourself a wood duck house, hang it up, and watch the ducks multiply for more opportunities during the hunting season. Thanks again, folks. God bless, and have a great day.
Bye. Bye.